Hello everyone, we are the team behind Agora, or SOS, the Student Organization Election System. I am Kirby, the project manager for this project. Today, we are demonstrating our core feature, which is election creation.
And now, Jumir will walk us through the end-to-end process from the admin and the super admin's perspectives.
Let's start on the admin side. First, the user navigates to the election session management page and clicks the Create Election button. Here, we input the necessary details, the election name, and select the position template. Once filled, we click Create Election. Now that it's created, we select the newly created election on the dashboard to populate it. Now we import the necessary data: schedule, voter data, party list data, and candidates data. Let's start with schedule. We click the gear icon and set the appropriate start and end date of the election and click Save Change. Next is the party list. Let's navigate to the party list tab, click Create Party List, and fill the necessary information, and then click Create Party List again. Now we move to adding candidates. Go to the Candidates tab, click Add Candidate, and fill the necessary information and hit Save. Let's do this 2 more times to have a more realistic candidate roster in our demo. Next is Voters. We navigate to the Voters tab, hit Import CSV, and upload the correct file with the correct format as indicated in the screen. And then we hit Import. Now that we have successfully set up our election, we now launch it. Click the Launch Election button and the payment model will appear. Pay through GCash QR code and then submit the generated receipt to the model. After that, we hit Submit Payment and launch. And now we have a proper election waiting for the platform's approval to go live. Now let's check out how that works. Switching to the Super Admin site, the Super Admin will navigate to the Payments page. Go to the Elections tab, view the receipt of the payment, check the validity, and hit Verify. Now that election will be active once it hits its schedule. Now let's see that part. Now back to this side, we can now see in the dashboard that the election is live. And if we check on it in the election management page, we can see that it is active. And that is how election creation works in SOS.
That concludes the workflow for Agora's election creation and approval pipeline. Thank you for watching.